Oh, there's a horse on the left.
See, we're not all idiots.
No.
Just us three.
You speak for your fucking self.
I was surprised Nigel's bike didn't dazzle that horse, spook it. All the tassels and LED lights.
Fucking IO silver away. Don't trust her, don't trust her.
Oh,
She's in a
on her
fucking
phone.
loaded gun. Only he's in Dayglow pink.
Very fetching.
Very. Oh, he's got pink socks as well. Right, Steve, just to satisfy you, here's that house.
I was going to say, right, Steve, here to satisfy you is a man in a pink.
Yeah, this one, look, that's all their garden. That nice big double garage with accommodation above.
Oh,
Ain't that beautiful?
that would do me, just the garage.
Yeah, I'd be happy with
Lovely,
that.
isn't it?
As I said previously, I set my sights high when I was young. I wanted a triple garage with a one-bedroom flat above it.
And what did you end up with?
Nothing. Beautiful.
We've made us go right down through Shaftesbury, the main street, so we can see all those interbred, incestuous brother-sister shaggers.
Excellent.
I think I'd leave that speech out of your next tour.
No, Nigel sets to go down fucking Gold Hill.
A little bit bumpy.
Lovely little pub halfway down on the right, oh, by the play bar.
What's he doing then? Spraying his boots. Waterproofing them. Look at that lovely old building. I suppose we need to swap batteries now, don't we?
Yeah. Now, the last time I was in Shaftesbury, I was in a pram.
What
are your age? Aye, aye. Somebody's dropped a log.
Oh,
Very rural speed bump.
yeah. I've got us doing a left and then a left again.
Yeah, because he's trying to go back to waypoint 10.
Yeah, ignore that.
Yeah.
Obviously, fucking, it was 10 past fucking midnight.
Yeah.
Well, we did say don't bother.
I mean, it wouldn't be a nice route if it wasn't a case of ignore what it's telling you to do.
I didn't put that in there.
Yeah,
Oh, yes, I did.
Yeah. It was me evil twin.
I mean, if you get lost, it doesn't matter if you've got the route, because it's going to send you in fucking circles anyway.
You'll go around enough times that you know the place, won't
Yeah.
you?
They go, oi, oi, what are they doing in there? Them fucking doggers. Look at that, you can even do the U-turn, the 3-point turn in there, Steve.
I'm just going to stick it here. I'll get good view of your spotlights.
Oh, that's nice. Look at the way they've hung a bag of dog shit on that on that bush.
It takes a lot of effort, doesn't it?
Modern art. You wait, a fucking electricity van or whatever now will pull up.
Yeah. When you get told to fuck off, bollocks, you're a It's a good job I didn't record all that. I've been bullied. Meep. Fucking roadrunners off.
Fucking take the piss out me lights, take the piss out me horn.
Roadrunner.
At least I'm not looking at bikes with reverse gear on it.
No.
Yeah, well, it's a fucking heavy thing, wasn't it?
You've got way too long on that computer unattended, haven't you?
I've had a ramp on order for months.
It's in me bloody top box.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought you were dropping it off this morning, Steve.
Well, I said, should I come to yours, and you mentioned breakfast.
And Steve having the breaking strain of a fucking Kit Kat. Gave in.
It's catching from you. No, he phoned me up on, when was it? Saturday?
Oh,
I don't know.
It's gone. He's been asleep since then.
Might have been. He phoned me up anyway and said, "This is what I'm after." I said, "All right, okay, fine." So I went out there that afternoon and made it for him.
Yeah.
And he's moaning it took too long.
Well, hang on. This was back in 2016. Don't worry about us, madam.
I don't think she is.
Even the cars are going round her. Look.
So you got a ramp now, so you've got no excuse not to have a K fucking 16,000 or whatever it is.
I have. It's fucking 6 spark plugs every time you have a service.
Timu.
Yeah, but you get the fucking spark plugs from China, and then your bike will be going a bit.
Well, get 3 from Timu and 3 from BMW, love.
Yeah, it'll go bit bang, bit bang, bit bang.
Bang.
Go back to being servicing your bike. How long does your mate take? Does he like book it in for a precise time, or?
Yeah. But like I said, if you, whatever day you're taking it in, if you tell me, I can, you can take mine on that, save you hanging around, then you can just pick it up tea time, can't you? You can bring mine back and then pick yours up.
You just don't want me hanging around Weymouth, do you?
Anything to get rid of you. Here, have my bike.
Yeah.
I think that's what it is. I offered to drop the ramp off. Oh no, fuck it, stay away a bit longer.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Have my bike, I'll fill it with fuel.
I'll even pay for the service on yours though.
Now I'm getting worried.
Nice pink house. Who lives in a house like this?
Someone who's colourblind.
Some kind of can.
Service is about 2.5 hours.
Yeah, it ain't long, is it? We could go and have breakfast.
Is that B word again?
Yeah. Okay. Do it on a weekday. Look, I could drop Albie at school and then we can go do breakfast.
And if I'm going to do it a weekday, I'll have to book holiday because as of the end of this month, I've got weekends off.
It's you get a mental block when you retire. You forget that the rest of the world still has to work.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck off with your fucking sob stories.
I do usually get a weekday and a weekend day off, but like I say, the end of this month I'm weekends off now, so
Yeah.
till March. So I can always get it done in March, can I?
Yeah, well, mine's due in March, but we could get it cheaper at 2 for 1. Buy one, get one free. Guess what I can see? Black stripes matter!
Morning!
This is a great bit of road.
It is, isn't
Is
it?
it?
You know, when we get a nice bit of road, we all shut up and enjoy it.
We're going to run to the old fucking Land Rover 110 in front. Or is it a 90?
90 by the looks of it.
You know, all I can see There's Nigel's spotlights.
I know exactly what you're going to say.
I wondered how long it'd be.
They're just dancing all over. I thought you didn't want strobe lights.
Yeah.
That bloke in front's having a fit.
Yeah, he's going to start swerving all over the place in a minute. I'm at A&E, all with fucking archive.
Oh, I love it. Yeah, I got to fucking set them later when it's darker.
Has anyone ever had archive?
No. It's painful, I can imagine.
Yeah, it's very much like putting sandpaper on the inside of your eyelids and then blinking.
Lovely.
A bit like after you've had cataract surgery then.
Yeah, but without the anaesthetic. Oh, it's horrible.
Still gets dry now, my eye. Ooh. Oi, oi. He's had enough, look, the lamb race.
Yeah.
He's got a banging headache now. He can't take any more.
Migraine.
You, being serious for a second,
Oh, fuck off.
You put your drone up above Wardlecaster, didn't you?
No,
You haven't?
no.
Oh, you should do. We're coming up to that time of year where it's only the idiots put their winter rides up on YouTube, isn't it?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes.
Got the old badges up to the right, haven't we?
There. 360's on.
I thought I saw your rear lights dim a little.
Oh no, that's being run by the power of the Thunderbox. 29, thank you. That's right, and it's Todd's 29, I'll have you know. Well, they must have re-chalked them.
I think they have, yeah.
Some when.
Try and get them.
And there's a rather nice video on my channel of the Faff badges by drone.
Is there?
Like, subscribe, go take a peek.
Well, I did one from up on the old Drove Road that runs along the top of them.
Oh yeah,
And
that's when you went off road with Derek, wasn't it?
Yeah. No, just on me Todd.
What made you get rid of that then?
Hey?
What made you get rid of the Transalp?
What made me get rid of it?
Yeah.
Well,
They look like quite nice bikes.
they are very nice bikes. But I wanted all the gadgetry, and I fancied a DCT. And I'd thought about the Africa Twin, but it was a bit pricey. So I thought, well, I'll have a go on the NT.
Loved it.
And I quite liked it. I don't do any green laning or off-roading. I did it once and thought, nah,
Yeah.
too bouncy, too exhausting.
Too expensive.
Yeah.
It's alright if you got a little CRF or a smaller bike to do it on, that's great, isn't it?
Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't want to take like a 1250GS off-roading.
I really did have visions of having to pick this thing up on a fucking 30% incline with a fucking river running down it.
Yeah.
How do you spell hernia?
With some twat in a car going, "You're going to be fucking long, mate."
I'll have to stick my leg over your motorcycle when we stop
Oh
one
no,
day.
I was so fucking yapping. We were going to go that way through fucking Burst.
Oh, you
Burscombe.
fucking prick.
Let's spin
That's
it
right.
round up here. Fucking love it. There you go. We'll spin it round here. See, too busy fucking gas bagging, taking the piss.
Wouldn't have it any other way.